What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the animation of chart pie like this. And you can create this animation from the Adobe After Effects. How to create this one? So you can pay attention, and without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, the very first step you can do, you can open this Adobe After Effects, and after that you can go to this composition and new composition, and here you can use the name, for example comp1 or the composition 1, and you can also change the color of the background over here and click OK, and after that you can click OK again. And the next step will be you can go to this section or direct your cursor into this layer of your composition and give it the right click and go to the new and go to the shape layer like this. And after that you can start to go to this shape tool and you can hold it, and you'll see not only the rectangle tool, but also you can create the rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, and also the star. And for example, I will choose this ellipse tool since we would like to create the pie chart like this. And you can also change the filled color of your circle or your ellipse. For example, I will choose this one and click OK. And to create the perfect circle, so you will need to press the shift button or the shift in your keyboard and hold it like this, and this will be the perfect circle we have. And if you would like to move the position, so you can go to the selection tool, click it, and after that you can start to move it, let's say in the middle of the screen. And the next step will be go to this effects and presets, and here you can start to search the effect, name the radial wipe, click this and hold it to this object until the settings gonna be show in the section beside this project. So you can start to activate this animation by clicking this. It's kind of the stopwatch look in the transition completion. And after that you can start to go to this percentage, and let's say you can change it to become 100% and enter like this. And after that you will need to go to this, it's kind of the current time indicator, and let's say I would like to move it into this 4 seconds. And after that I will start to change this transition completion again to be 45%, for example, and enter. So the animation, if you would like to play it, it's gonna be like this. And how to play it, you can just push the space from your keyboard like this, and after that we will create the part of this section or the pie chart in this section. So how to create that, you can select this shape layer 1, make sure you already selected like this, and after that you can start to give the combination of Ctrl D or duplicate it like this. Perfect. And I will also move this section too, for example, and let's say I will move it here. And you can also open the detail of this the shape layer 2, and after that you can see there is the content, effects, and also the transform, and keep selecting this transform. So you can start to change the effect of this one, radial wipe. And after that you can change this, let's say, to become 0%. Click this and type 0 and enter. And you can also change the color of this shape layer too. Let's say I will change another color to become this yellow. And after that you can click this shape layer 2 and move it down or the below of the shape layer 1. So I will close the content or the detail first, just to make it more simple. Hold it and move it here. And after that you can start to play it from the first second and play it by push the space in your keyboard. 1, 2, 3. So this will be the pie chart effect or pie chart animation by using this Adobe After Effects. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope that this tutorial finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.